Good YouTube. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to turn on Extend Unlock for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This will work for the S26 Ultra, S26, and the S26 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to turn on or off Extend Unlock, where your lock screen is extended to be turned off while the phone's with you, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do is actually jump into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for lock screen and AOD. And once you're in there, you want to look for Extend Unlock and you want to hit Extend Unlock. And then from there, you can get set up where Extend Unlock keeps your device unlocked when it's with you. It can recognize when you're holding your device or when you're near home or near a trusted place as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.